What's going on, guys? I am out here at Lucas's place because he's moved to a place that has all this land and trails that we're going to be hiking today, trying to find some herps. It's been raining all day, so I'm assuming we're probably going to find a lot of amphibians out and about, kind of like when me and my brothers went out and we found all those slimies. So first thing we got right here, right out the gate, is this log to flip. So let's see if we got anything under it.
Millipede.
A millipede. Well, not a bad start. So guys, our first find today is not a herp, but it is a robin egg that is empty, but not broken. Feel that.
What the? There's like, okay, there's a tiny little hole right there, but that's the only thing.
Maybe that's where it hit, and maybe all the fluid drained out of it?
Possibly.
And it's
right down the back of my shirt.
It's obviously a dead egg, so...
Yeah.
I don't know. Crack it open.
You don't want to see inside that.
Yeah, I do. What is it?
Purple.
But there's nothing in there. That's crazy. It's literally empty.
Someone pop a blueberry in there?
That's crazy. Alright, so I'm thinking, whenever I'm herping, I think I figured out the solution to the problem. What I need to do is just take a piss. Because it seems like every time I take a piss, something cool is found. When I took a piss, and then Bo found that rat snake. And now it's just taking a piss. And Lucas, over here, hollers at me that there is an owl somewhere up here in this tree. Where is he?
He flew right up into there.
Oh, he flew up there?
Yeah.
So we're not going to be able to actually see him.
Probably not.
Dang it. I was hoping we were going to be able to see him.
Hey, but we found the new way to the creek.
Yeah, we did. So there's an owl somewhere in that tree.
Somewhere.
Still.
Like a barred owl.
It's crazy. And then look at this creek. Just look at this. It's got salamander written all over it. I flipped a rock and found a little salamander.
Oh, two-line.
Two-line? Can you grab him?
No.
What was that?
I said no.
Oh, you said maybe and no together. It's
No.
yeah, they're making up words. So there's a southern two-line. So if you guys are out herping in creeks and you want to know if a creek is healthy, salamanders are the best indicator. Because salamanders really only thrive in a consistent kind of healthy kind of habitat. Solid ecosystem. Or IMS, yeah. Alright, so Lucas just found a spring salamander.
Wait, really?
Yep, Trilifer. That is a spring salamander, and you can tell that there are red salamanders, they're more red than they are black. And it's almost like they have the black spots. Yeah, make sure you hold on to them. But I want to zoom in on his face right here. Just really show you guys. They have these little patterning on their face. That is amazing. That is amazing. Nice little spring salamander.
He was under a rock.
That is fantastic.
This is what I saw under that one back there.
Oh, so yeah, that's two springs.
Same body type.
That's ridiculous.
Nice.
He's right there. Super freaking cool. Not really wanting to focus. Wow. Alright. Well, let's see how many more we can find. Hey guys, right? Move your hand around that water. Maybe you can get him to move. He's in this area. Find a little,
there he is.
Where? You can see if there's glare in this water. Crap. It's a little baby salamander. I wanted to get him on film for you guys. There he is. Right there. Now that looks like that could potentially be
Oh, there's a mud puppy.
A mud puppy? Is that what this is?
No, right here under this rock.
Hang on. Let's focus on the glare of the water rather than what I'm actually trying to show you guys. There's the little salamander we found. Here's a little mud puppy. I see him. Lift up that rock. No, that little rock, Dave's. No, the little.
He's over there.
Oh, he's over here?
He's gone.
He's gone. That's still pretty cool, man. The salamander life in this place is ridiculous.
Well, we know it's healthy.
Yeah, healthy as crap. So guys, right here what we have is another little mud puppy on the move that I just flipped.
And a crawdad.
He is super cool looking. Now that won't focus. Really? Lucas just noticed this absolutely perfect deer skull that Bo, I'm thinking would look sick in our place. So I'm thinking about bringing it home. But it is covered in ants. That's ridiculous though. That's awesome. I mean, the points are perfect on it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, well, it's officially started to rain. Really bad. So now we're just trying to find our way back. And yeah, it's raining really bad. I gotta put you guys away. Started raining harder. I forgot how far away we had to walk. I am soaked from head to toe. I'm shocked the camera's still. Okay. Looks just as soaked.
Yeah.
So on that note,
Like and subscribe.
love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe and don't go herping with camera equipment when you know
It's gonna rain.
there's potential to just monsoon on you. My tip for the day. You're welcome.